All right, as we take a look at your current conditions tonight, we start our evening with temperatures falling. 15 degrees feels like 2. Wind starting to give up the ghost just a little bit from the west. It's at 11 miles per hour here in the FM area. The coldest core of air, we got a couple of them, one out in parts of eastern North Dakota from Gwinner through Valley City and Jamestown and up towards Minot. And that's where the coldest core of air is going to be as we go through the overnight hours. But Wadena, thanks to some deep snow, likewise Ottertail County, temperatures in the teens there as well. It's very chilly out there. Factor in the winds that are still 15 to 20 miles per hour out of the west and northwest, and it's wind chilly out there. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast as we set it in motion overnight. The coldest of the air seems to set up from Minot through Wells County and down into southeast North Dakota, where we'll see a few locations below zero. Record lows for Fargo right near the 2-degree mark, but many hovering near zero. Best chance of that will again be from north central North Dakota through the Southern Valley. So yes, it will be a very frigid start to our weekend, but as we go through midday, the sunshine and the fact that we won't have nearly as much wind as we had today looks to be pretty nice. In fact, not necessarily picture perfect, but we're going to talk about temperatures near 20, and that's about as warm as we got today by midday. And we're going to stay put there for most locations where you see the deep blue shades here on our temperature contours. It's where we have a chance at seeing maybe some upper 20s mixing in. But all in all, looks like a cold Saturday. We quickly cool off again tomorrow night. Then as we head to bed, we'll notice some clouds out in the western Dakotas. That's the onset of our system for Sunday. More on that in a few moments. We start the Saturday out with near record lows. We'll see a temperature in the afternoon under mostly sunny skies of around 20. The good news is less wind for your Saturday. Your hometown forecast: Sisseton 26, 25 in Detroit Lakes, Langdon at 27, and 25 for Babe the Blue Ox in Bemidji. Now a look at Sunday's system as we let it track in. In the morning hours, the best chance of snow will take place out in the James River Valley first thing in the morning. We'll see increasing clouds through the mid-morning hours, and by late morning to midday, a chance for some snow in the FM area. Notice how we're right on this line here: Fargo, Fergus Falls, and all the way up through, say, around the Cooperstown area, and point south will get a little bit. And the heaviest batch of snow making its way along the South Dakota border through southeast North Dakota. Low pressure dives to the south, temperatures in the 20s, wind out of the east, although it won't be too strong. So we're not expecting blizzard conditions, but you can bet we're going to have some very slippery road conditions. 1 to 3, the best chance of that just south of Fargo. Down toward the border, we'll see some 2 to 5 inch totals with isolated pockets getting upwards of 6 or 7. Here's spring sundogs for you if you're, well, if you like those winter scenes. There's another beauty. Taylor captured that in Bagley, Minnesota. Here's your forecast. Sunday, we talked snow, temperatures in the 20s. Some good news about next week, but it's measured improvement on temperatures. Right now, we're seeing temperatures about 30 degrees below average. Next week, we're in the 30s, so that's still 20 below average, but we're going in the right direction. Melting a little snow. A chance for some rain in the plains on Wednesday. Friday, the snow you see there, that looks like a pretty strong system at this particular stage of the game. Very windy, a lot of rain and snow, so it's a complex system. We'll keep our eyes on it, but it could be a doozy.
All right, thanks so much.
You bet.